I've got my ginormous pho bowls with me here because we're going to eat pho tonight. Don't be afraid to use big pho bowls because you need enough room to stir things around without it splashing and spilling over. So next to my head, it's pretty ginormous. These bowls hold about 6 cups of liquid. Have you ever looked at your pho bowl and thought, this doesn't really look appetizing? Well, I'm going to show you tonight how to put it all together, assemble it, picture perfect, social media ready pho bowl. We're not going to make pho tonight. I'll put a link on my how-to video to do that, but tonight it's all about bringing it together. It's all about assembling it, tasting it along the way, and ooh, it's going to be exciting. Salivating once again. Let's go ahead and get started. It's a beautiful night tonight. I've got herbs in my garden. I didn't plant these. These are just from last year that are growing. Clearly, I need to weed my garden, clean it up a little bit, but regardless, look at all of this. Ooh. And down here, I've got fresh beef sliced really thin. We're going to blanch this, and this is going to be a garnish on top of our pho. And then we also have beef meatballs. You can see the color difference here. It's just a different variety of meatballs. Ooh, I've got watercress in my giant pho bowls.